Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is latkes. These are vegan and gluten-free, and let me tell you, anybody can make them. These are super easy ingredients. Okay, you need a couple pounds of potatoes, an onion, flaxseed egg, gluten-free flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, and some oil for frying. And we use applesauce to top them. Okay, let's start peeling. You got a lot to do, so get moving. After you're done peeling, place your potatoes in water with lemon. It'll keep them from turning kind of pink in color. It's kind of ugly. Use a hand grater or a food processor. Okay, now start grating. It's intense, so get moving. Place the grated potatoes into a clean towel and cover them. You can put a little lemon on them. Now this is a very important step. Make sure to get all the liquid that you can out of these potatoes. They are wet, and if you go to fry them or bake them, it will take forever. Now let's put it in a bowl. Add your grated onions, flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, and your flax egg. Combine them all really well. Now for the lower calorie version of our latkes, spray a muffin tin and place about 2 tablespoons of the potato mixture into the pan, making them all pretty even. Place it into a preheated 350-degree oven. Onto our traditional latkes that we all know and love. A little fattier version, but they're delicious. In a preheated pan with oil, just enough to cover the bottom of the latkes. Place about a couple tablespoons of the potato mixture. Fry until they're nice and golden brown. Place them on a paper towel lined plate. That will get rid of any of the excess oil. Now repeat until all the latkes are done. Now don't forget one of the most important steps, taste testing. Hopefully you'll have enough for dinner. Okay, now remove your low-calorie latke versions. I call them latke poppers. Now you can see that's not a good one, and this one is. Woohoo! Finally, it's time to enjoy these amazing treats any time of year. Hanukkah, Christmas, Thanksgiving, your birthday. Just eat them. Visit veganglutenfreelife.com for the full recipe and so much more. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share, and let me know how you made it your own. Bye!
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Claire Lilly, CLARELILLY. Thank you. I'm doing Vlogmas, posting every day.
Okay, bye-bye.